Hey you, welcome back to Beauty Over 40. Today we have a theme. We are doing the Rachel C face charts theme. Make sure you check out all the girls that are participating in this month's collaboration. And if you like to see my look and my face chart, definitely stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds. Somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm just adding to my makeup I already have, and I'm not gonna show my face chart, but all right, lashes are off. I need to get rid of this eyeliner. I'm just adding to what I had on today. That should be good. So first, I think I'm gonna do my brows first. Got some colorful brows. So I've done colorful brows before, but it's been a minute. This should be fun though. This should definitely be fun. I'm gonna white out my brows first, and I'm using all right, so I'm gonna start off with the Urban Vibes eyeshadow base, and this one is white. So I'm gonna do that to my brows. Try to get my brows white and then put color over it. It's gonna outline what I already have here. Just make these white. I thought this would be a fun challenge to do, just to see how I do. But see how the other girls do as well. This is something fun to do. All right, got one done. I'm gonna do the other one and I'll be back. All right, brows are done. I'm not sure if they are dry, but we are just going to go for it. And I'm just going to stamp this color on. So I will put some of the face charts from the Rachel C face charts. So I will put some of their other looks up. Some of their, I don't know, some of their other looks up so you guys can take a look. But I remember when I worked at MAC, we had to do like so many face charts a week, and I hated it. I hated updating the face chart. Definitely nowhere close to what this artist does. I'm using the Warrior 3 by Julius, and I'm going in with this pink color right there. All right, so I'm gonna go in with that same pink color on this side. And I added a color over here just for some contrast. That way those colors would be broken up a little bit. All right, and then I'm going in with like this reddish brick color in my crease, again for contrast of color. And I'm putting that a little high because I want to be able to cut the crease a little bit, just like the front part, blend out the harsh lines. I'm gonna go ahead with that pink color and pull that down as far as I can get it. All right, so they have white in the inner corner. I'm laying that eyeshadow primer here, and then I'm gonna set that with some white eyeshadow, but I'm not gonna show you guys the palette because it's old. Any white will do. All right, I'm gonna blend those harsh edges. All right, and now I'm gonna try to cut the crease. All right, I'm just taking a Q-tip and trying to create a line to the cut crease. All right, so I think that's a good a good start, and I'm just trying to do the front part. All right, I think that's enough negative space to get me started. Actually, this is P. Louise base. Number 2. All right, we're gonna take some of that, cut the crease. Remember, when you're trying to cut the crease, like, you need a really thin brush. See how thin that is? You want to get that product on both sides so it can be really thin. I'm going to relax my eye so I can see where my crease falls, so I can go right above that. This eye is usually a little bit easier than this one. Again, I haven't done a cut crease in a long time. For those of you that do a cut crease, like, do you feel like there's a difference if you remove like the eyeshadow that's gonna be underneath your concealer or your eyeshadow base for the cut crease? Do you find that there's a difference? All right, so before that's dry, I'm gonna just blend out that edge. That way when I go to put my eyeshadow on there, it's not so hard to blend. Okay, you can already see it's kind of blended. All right, so I have one eye done, and I am using Green Come True by Dream Cosmetics. I'm just mixing that green and yellow together. Try to get as close as I can to what my face chart looks like. I'm gonna add some more of this color in the outer corners for some dimension. I can't wait for you guys to see the actual face chart. All right, so we're gonna do a little bit of liner. I'm just gonna smudge in some black. I don't know if they did this. This is just what I see, and it could very well be the lashes they have on. That's the beauty in art. Everyone sees something different. All right, I'm gonna take my angle brush and get a little bit closer in there. Try to get an angle in there. All right, so next I'm going to take this white eyeshadow base, and I'm going to use this as a liner, and then top that with some of that eyeshadow. All right, got my lashes, and I feel like this lash is perfect to what this face chart is. This is Cherry Blossom 903. All right, I'm really excited about this because this is new Hard Candy Glitteratzi Crystal Lip Duo. And look at this color, you guys. It's so beautiful. Ugh. I haven't worn lipstick in forever. All right, that's that in. Let's try this one. I wish this was matte. All right, guys, so this is my completed look. This was so fun to create. I really haven't done like a very creative, colorful look in quite some time. What do you guys think? So I'm gonna put my face chart right here. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think I got pretty close? Or let me know what your thoughts are. This was fun. And definitely make sure you check out the girls that participated in this month's collaboration. Show them some love. Send them some colorful hearts to let them know that I sent you over. I will have all their information down below in the description box, as well as a link to this Hard Candy Glitteratzi Crystal Lip Duo. They do have some other colors available as well. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRH Makeup on both TikTok and Instagram. Also my second handle on TikTok, which is _beautyover40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, turning on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.